The automotive landscape is evolving rapidly, and Lucid Group Incorporated is at the forefront of this revolution. The company has unveiled the Lucid Gravity luxury electric SUV, a vehicle that redefines excellence in terms of technology, design, and sustainability. This groundbreaking SUV builds upon the innovations introduced in the Lucid Air sedan and promises a driving experience like no other. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into the key features, design philosophy, performance capabilities, sustainability efforts, and the unique human experience offered by the Lucid Gravity. The Lucid Gravity is not just an electric SUV, it's a work of art on wheels. Derek Jenkins, Senior Vice President of Design and Brand at Lucid, emphasizes the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of design. The exterior showcases a balance of form and function, with an aerodynamic profile that boasts a drag coefficient of less than 0.24, a testament to its efficiency. The vehicle's commanding presence, spacious interiors, and versatile cargo areas set it apart from the competition, making it suitable for both family adventures and long-range tours. Step inside the Lucid Gravity, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and flexible cabin that seamlessly combines comfort and cargo capacity. The Gravity SUV boasts ample legroom in all 3 rows, accommodating up to 7 passengers comfortably. Lucid's commitment to user interface excellence is evident in the Clearview cockpit, featuring a 34-inch curved OLED display. The interior also introduces Lucid's next-generation software with over-the-air updates, ensuring continuous improvement. The Gravity SUV isn't just about luxury, it's a powerhouse on wheels. Built on a brand-new platform, it integrates Lucid's proprietary ultra-compact powertrain technology, featuring the most power-dense EV motors globally and a 900V electrical architecture. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in less than 3.5 seconds, a substantial payload capacity, and towing capabilities, the Gravity delivers sports car performance in an SUV package. Additionally, the optional zero-gravity air suspension system adapts to various terrains, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. Lucid's commitment to sustainability is evident in the Gravity's design philosophy. Eric Bach, Senior Vice President of Product and Chief Engineer at Lucid, emphasizes the do more with less principle. Despite having a battery pack about half the size of competitors, the Gravity SUV achieves a projected driving range of over 440 miles. This efficiency extends to the charging process, with one of the fastest EV charging systems globally, allowing customers to add up to 200 miles of range in about 15 minutes. The Lucid Gravity goes beyond surface luxury, offering an exceptional in-car experience designed for both the body and mind. Meticulously chosen materials, interactive well-being features like Lucid Sanctuary and Lucid Spaces, and partnerships with experts in meditation contribute to an unparalleled driving experience. Lucid Sanctuary introduces tranquility on the go, while Lucid Spaces can transform the cabin into a serene oasis with a single tap. With a commitment to making advanced technology accessible, Lucid Gravity is expected to be competitively priced in the full-size premium SUV category, with a starting price under $80,000. Production is set to commence in late 2024, making this luxury electric SUV a promising addition to the market. The Lucid Gravity 2025 is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of innovation, sustainability, and luxury. Lucid Group Incorporated has raised the bar for electric SUVs, delivering a vehicle that seamlessly blends performance, efficiency, and an unparalleled in-car experience. As the automotive industry continues its shift towards electrification, the Lucid Gravity stands out as a beacon of what the future holds, a future where electric vehicles redefine the very essence of driving.